If you can upload an image, you can create any character: fantasy, animal, human, object, or toon. YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, TikToks,
ad creatives, AI influencer videos, or absolutely anything you want to create. Welcome to Artixo AI, the ultimate content creation powerhouse that this
puts an entire production studio right at your fingertips. Powered by the world's most advanced models, giving you full platform access to Pandeo, Grok, and Imagen all in one place. We have packed everything you need to dominate your market into one easy dashboard. Forget complex animation tools. Turn any simple photo into a hyper-realistic talking video. Create viral talking objects and animals that stop the scroll instantly. Want to build a massive following without ever stepping in front of a camera? Deploy our AI avatars and influencers. You can use the AI Avatar Action Replicator, instantly swap out avatars, or use advanced face swap to put your own face onto any character. Need to drive sales? Generate high-converting AI video ads in over 15 proven styles. Launch daily AI shorts and reels, or instantly generate fully structured podcast-style videos ready for Spotify and YouTube. Selling physical products? Drop in a single image,
get a flawless 360-degree product spin to skyrocket your conversion rates. And you do not even need a third-party video editor.
Artixo AI comes with a powerful built-in studio. Extend your clips with the video extension tool, or use the built-in merger to combine scenes into stunning long-form videos. Instantly drop in perfectly synced video subtitles. We even included a custom VO watermark remover so your content stays clean and 100% yours. Stop jumping between a dozen expensive, complicated AI tools. Whether you are building a Faceless channel, running an agency, or scaling an e-commerce brand, everything you need is right here. Click the button below to get started with Artixo AI and start creating your content today. Join us inside the dashboard right now and transform your business.